Well, it has been a cool, wet spring, but how much fun to come out to French Prairie Gardens and for Berries, Brews, and BBQ. And it's happening this weekend for the next 3 weeks. And so tell us all about what's going on.
Oh, sure. It's one of our favorite festivals of the year. It's always kicks off the first 3 weekends in June. So come on out today and enjoy our strawberries. You can pick strawberries out of our fields. They're just coming on, so we should have strawberries all 3 weekends.
That is cool because sometimes they're already gone.
Yes.
So it's been maybe great that it's a little bit cooler
It
this
is.
year.
It is. I think there'll be strawberries for all 3 weekends, and we also do have awesome barbecue. So pulled pork sandwiches, chicken dinners, barbecue plate is always the most popular, and I would suggest that maybe you book that online to make sure if you come at the end of the day, we do have lots of barbecue left.
Oh, that is a great idea. And it's also Father's Day is this month, and so maybe have Dad come out any of the weekends.
Oh, the 3 things that they like: barbecue, berries, and beer.
And so talking about beer, you have some 2 new ones?
I do. So we have some of our beer that's donated. That goes. The proceeds go to our cancer foundation called M's Fight. We help local people fighting cancer. So we have a cider from Two Town Cidery. It's their pineapple cider, so the sweet for that person. And then if you're like me and like IPAs, we have a Citrus Mistress IPA from Hot Valley, and we'll probably have a lot of IPAs and a lot of summery kind of beers and a lot of cider.
Ah, that is good. And so what else can we do? Because the kids are going to come or friends are going to come, and so what else can we do?
Well, for adults, we have our beer and cider, we have live music, and for the kiddos, we have a lot of different fun things. We have our tractor wagon ride, our pig roll train ride, our ninja course, our obstacle course, and of course, our brand new mega ride and slide.
Ah, and so can big people go too?
Oh, yes, yes, big people can go too.
That is so good because, you know, sometimes it's just for kids, and so then we all miss out. And I see that we are surrounded by color,
Yes.
so really to bring some plants home for our gardens.
Yes, we do have quite a bit left with this, rainy, cool spring, but they are ready, perfect size for you to go home, and I'm guessing there might be a few sales going on as well.
Okay, because it's not too late to plant. We've all been inside because of this weather, but really the plants have been waiting for when we're ready. So I think that you are ready to supply all that.
We are.
And so where can we get all this information?
On our website at fpgardens.com, and you can click on the link there and pre-order your tickets to save. If you order online, you save some money, and you can get that barbecue meal, get all those fun add-ons that you need, so you're ready to just walk in and get started having fun.
Oh, it just sounds like such a great event. It's happening for the next 3 weekends. So please go to Garden Time, we'll click over to their website, and have a great time with your family and friends this month. Thanks so much.
Thank you.